morning! Happy June! It's June dairy month. It's also the start of harvest season. We've already got our first cut alfalfa, cut, baled, and put up. And it's time to combine wheat. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna feed these babies and we're gonna get this day started. Come on, babies. So it's not only harvest season for our farm fields, but it's also time to harvest our potatoes. I think they're eating us a little breakfast, so I'm gonna go feed the kids and we'll head to the wheat field. Look!
Hi.
I got you some French fries.
Yeah.
Yay! Yeah. Okay, we're gonna head out to what we call the terraces. It's about 30 acres. The boys have finished it up and we're gonna move on to the next field. We have about 110 acres of wheat, and we're moving fields.
It's like corn. Wait,
That's wheat.
oh, the wheat.
Wheat.
Oh, no, come on. It's for wheat. Maybe I can get up that combine.
Maybe I could get up that combine.
I get up it at the truck. Oh, no, let's buy a truck. You want to put it in the truck? Yeah.
Oh my God. Why did you?
Yeah.
Look, it's going in the dump truck.
Yeah. Look, it's a truck. It's a fucking truck.
I'm going to take the header off.
Daddy, let's watch it. Daddy. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. Ta-da! I want to be that thing. Mommy! Mommy, we're up! Good job, Mommy. Mommy, good one! Good one, Mommy. No.
It's okay, he's just loading the header. You can move. You.
Yes. It's not crashing.
cornfields.
Yeah.
It's not looking so bad. Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
There's another cornfield. You over here yelling orders?
I got a screwdriver.
You got screwdriver? Does
I
that
got-
mean you're the boss?
It's a foot. It's a common.
Okay.
Let me see that ridge.
What do you think?
I think we got the wind turned too much,
Okay.
but there's enough trash in it.
Does this feel like any better than the last one?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Like it better?
I'll tell you when we're done.
Okay. So explain why you're chasing the combine like a crazy man.
I'm making sure that, seeing how much overthrow we're throwing out the back of the combine. We don't want to throw any of our hard work out the back if we can keep from it. But we want the seed grain going in the tank as clean as we can get it. So there's a fine line to happy medium. But also when I was looking at that, it looked like we might have been grinding the wheat, just hurting the wheat. So we were trying to open up the combine a little bit to make it have a little bit more room to kick through there and trying to get the air that we're cleaning with just right. I think we're getting close. We'll look at it when he makes another round. This is a new field and variety may be a little bit different. So the conditions of the wheat may be a little bit drier than what we've been in, but we'll get her lined out, get it going.
Okay, we are getting in the Jeep. We're gonna take Daddy to go get the wheat truck. Bring it to this field so we can empty the combine. Another day combining wheat. So the kiddos had some dentist appointments today to take care of, and we're back and we're headed to the wheat field to meet the boys. They are just about done with this field and we're gonna help them move to our last about 10 acres. So that's where we're going. We only have about 110 acres of wheat to combine, so it really doesn't take us all that long to get it done. Corn is our bigger thing. We've got about a little over 300 acres of corn to we're going to chop for silage here in about a month and a half. So wheat doesn't take that long if you don't add in any breakdowns. But right now our co-op is actually broke down. So that's kind of the only reason it's taken us a little bit longer. We have 2 trucks that we can dump in. We think it's going to hold it. We're kind of hoping the co-op opens back up soon. So that's kind of our holdup right now. We do, however, plan on planting more wheat this year due to our abundance of calves come this last January. These are our 2 dump trucks. They're dump trucks, silage trucks, wheat trucks, kind of do a little bit of everything. This one is our semi-automatic that my mother-in-law and I fight over. And this one is our 9-speed Freightliner. This is my truck. I typically am in the 9-speed because my mother-in-law gets the semi-automatic. And let's see what they got. So it looks like, so they got this field done. We've got both trucks full, ready to go to the co-op if they'll just open. Boys have moved fields. The trucks are ready to dump. We're just about done with our wheat. We have a neighbor. We help him combine his wheat. So we'll be moving straight from ours right into his. What are you doing? You move Poppy on the combine?
Yeah.
You move him over here?
Yeah. Grandma, it's very good and now it's this.
The header's rolling like this?
Yeah. I try to get the wrench
You try to get the wrench
and the combine.
on the combine. Did you fix it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I tried the combine and it's not rolling.
Really?
Because I the biscuit.
Yeah?
But they can't hit that mommy.
Well, I saw the trucks are full. Did you fill them up?
Yeah.
What's in them?
I probably eat that.
Some wheat?
Yeah. That's probably that.
Are they ready to dump?
Yeah.
Can we take them to the co-op?
Yeah.
The co-op still isn't open.
and we don't really know if this field, if the combine can hold what's left in this field, so we'll find out. But the kids and I are gonna head back and lot the cows. It's almost milking time. So we're gonna lot cows and get calves fed and finish out the day. Thanks for following along. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.